Hey everybody, Sunday, February 26th. We got a crazy windy day here. It's just blowing like nuts. Let me show you. Probably the flags are gonna blow right off the poles. I probably should have taken them down, but it's too windy to do it right now. The trees are blowing like crazy. Everything is. The resorts, some people's trash are blowing over here. Phoebe's resort's always busy and their trash is always blowing over here. Somebody from one of the resorts actually threw their whole trash bag in the street today. I went out and picked it up. Before the dogs have already broken into it, and some of it was already blowing, but I got most of it. These resort owners, they need to tell their people to not do stuff like that. They need to supply trash cans instead of letting their trash blow on other people's properties. All the resorts need to do that. Think about your neighbors, people. Don't be selfish, just care about money. Making money. Don't care what happens to your garbage. Don't care what your people do. Anyway, Grace and the kids, they went to Gebaldin. Give them a break, let them play with their cousins. And also bring all Jimmy's clothes that he didn't take. Bring them there to him. That's where he still is. At his cousins. So they'll probably be there most of the day, missing this mess here. I hope it doesn't get much worse, or we may lose, I don't know, some of this carp. I hope not. It's bouncing around pretty good. It's just crazy. I don't know if there's a typhoon in the area or a storm system or what, but it feels like it. Our caretakers are just hanging out. We just got they did laundry this morning. We just took it all off the clothesline, so it was blowing all over. So I'm just gonna stay tight, see what happens. Hopefully it won't get any worse. And we won't lose anything really desperate, anything really needed, like these tarpaulin roofs. That's it, people. Don't really have anything else to tell you. Haven't heard too many comments about my religious video. Maybe people haven't seen it yet. And by the way, I said Ancient Aliens was 12 seasons. It's actually already into 14, I believe. At least I'm getting the 14th here in the Philippines. So, people watching, let me know what you think. And make sure you like and subscribe these videos. I really appreciate it. It's free. God bless everyone. Santa Claus over and out.